I am Mr. Kasar. Now today I am starting the chapter Quadratic Equation. In class 10th, we read about what is the quadratic equation and the use of this equation to solve the general problem. Now first of all, we discuss about what is quadratic equation. First of all, in the previous class, we read about the variable, constant. First of all, we know that what is a variable? A mathematical representation of element which has unfixed value is known as the variable, and the constant which has fixed value. So the combination of variable and constant is known as the expression, and an expression which contain equal sign is known as equation. So this quadratic equation is also an equation, but the power of variable is 2. Therefore, in an equation, the highest power of variable is 2 is known as quadratic equation. Or in the form of polynomial, we know that a polynomial of degree 2 or the second degree polynomial is known as quadratic equation. Now we discuss about what is the polynomial. In the class 9 or previous class, we read about an equation which is the form of a n xn plus a n minus 1 xn minus 1 plus a n minus 2 xn minus 2 plus a1x plus a0. This is the polynomial of variable x. Now a polynomial of degree n is the variable x is defined as a n xn plus a n minus 1 xn minus 1 a n minus 2 xn minus 2 plus a1x plus a0. This is the form of a polynomial where each ai is a real number and a n not equal to 0. N is whole number. The coefficient of a n for a polynomial of degree n is called leading coefficient. This means this term of the polynomial which contains the higher power of variable. So the highest power of the variable which contains a constant term is known as the leading coefficient, and a0, the last term, is known as the constant. The last term is known as the constant, and the first term, that is, if we write a polynomial, then we write a descending order of variable. Suppose equation 2x square plus 3x plus 6. The 2x square has the highest power of x. So we write the first highest power and therefore decreasing way. Right here n minus 1, n minus 2 and so on. There is the n, x and 0. So the first term which contains the highest power of variable, this is known as the leading coefficient. Here an is leading coefficient and the last term written as a0 is the constant. So we conclude that a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is also form of the polynomial. Here the highest power of variable is 2 here. So this is the general form of quadratic equation. Now here the a, b, c is constant and a, b, c is any real number. Here a, b, c is any real number and a does not equal to 0. If a equal to 0, so this is the linear equation. Here the highest power of variable is 1, so is known as the linear equation, not quadratic. So it must be a does not equal to 0 and abc is constant or any real number. Also, this is also known as general form or standard form. In this quadratic equation, here we conclude that ax square is quadratic term, bx is linear term, and c is constant term. So this is the quadratic and this is the linear and this term is the constant. Now if bx or c is equal to 0, so ax square equal to 0 is also quadratic equation. If bx equal to 0, so ax square plus c equal to 0 is also a quadratic equation. But this term never be 0. So the standard form or the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Now we discuss about the solution of quadratic equation. The solution of quadratic equation. We discuss what is the solution of a quadratic equation. So solution of a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation highest power is 2. So it has two real root, and equal also and not equal also. It is not mentioned that, but in the next class we discuss about the discriminant, which tell us the nature of the root. So in this class we read about the solution of an quadratic equation. Solution of quadratic equation. First, solving quadratic equation by factorization method. This method already we studied about class 8, class 9. So the first, solving quadratic equation by factorization method. Second, now we learned in class 10, solving quadratic equation by complete squaring method. And the third, quadratic formula or Sridharacharya formula. This is the three method to solve a quadratic equation. These two, solving of quadratic equation by complete squaring method and the Sridharacharya formula. This Sridharacharya formula is come from the complete squaring method. Now first of all we discuss about the solving of quadratic equation by the factorization method in class 8 and 9. We take an example. Suppose the x square plus 5x plus 6. This is the quadratic equation because the highest power of variable is 2. So this is the quadratic equation. Now we factorize it by the solving of quadratic equation by factorization method. So we take here the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is 6. So 1 into 6 is equal to the 6, and the factor of 6 is 2 and 3. So the sum of 2 and 3 is also the 5. Here x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. Now we taking the common of these two terms. We find that here the x plus 2 and these two terms 3x plus 6, where the taking the common 3x. So here x plus 2. Now x plus 2 is common here, so x plus 2 taken and the remainder term is x plus 3. This method, the solving a quadratic equation, and here the value of 2, x equal to minus 2 or x equal to minus 3. The equation, the quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 6 has two roots or the two zeros. In class 9 we discuss about the, suppose px with a polynomial and taking the value, replace x is equal to k, so pk equal to 0, then k is known as the root or solution of this equation. So here x equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 3 is the two roots or solution of the quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 6. So this method already know about it. But the second method to solving the quadratic equation by complete squaring method. We discuss here the complete squaring method. Now the second complete squaring method we learned in class 10. So we take a standard form of quadratic equation or general form quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we solve it by the complete squaring method. So here the constant is ax square, bx, b and c. First of all we eliminate here a. So we divide each term by a. So dividing both sides as a, we find that we are taking right here. We divide a both sides. We get ax square by a plus bx by a plus c by a is equal to 0 by a. So this is also written as 0 by a equal to 0. Here a is cancelled. So this is the form of x square. Now we multiply 2 or divide 2, we get 2 into b by 2a and x, as 2 to cancel here. So this is equal to this much. No any changing in this term. We multiply 2 or divide 2 plus c by a plus here 2a and b. So b by 2a square is adding and b by 2a square subtract. No any change because the both terms are same. So cancel here is equal to 0. Now a square 2ab plus b square. These three terms taken in one side and other is here. So x square plus 2 into a into b by 2a, this is the b, plus b square, b by 2a square minus b by 2a square plus c by a is equal to 0. This is the form of a plus b whole square. So written here x plus b by 2a square, x square 2ab plus b square, and now here is equal to what's there b by 2a square minus c by a. We solve it. X plus b by 2a square is equal to b square by 4a square minus c by a. Simply we taking the LCM 4a square and a, we find that 4a square as the LCM, and b square minus 4a is here 4a square and a is a, so 4a and c, this is the 4ac. Taking LCM 4a square and a, we find that 4a square LCM and divide 4a square by a, so 4a is remainder and 4a multiplied by c, so b square minus 4ac. This is equal to x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac by 4a square. This is complete square method, that is x plus b by 2a is equal to root under b square minus 4ac by 4a square. X plus b by 2a is equal to root under b square minus 4ac by 2a and plus minus written also. So this is the complete squaring method to solve. And the third, the formula of the Sridharacharya formula I also deduce by this method. So this is also known as the Sridharacharya formula. And we put here the value of x directly in any equation. We find that value of zeros. So x is equal to minus b by 2a plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So 2a and 2a, we LCM here 2a. Now minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the value of x. Here plus we taking the alpha and the minus we take the beta. This is the complete squaring method to solve any quadratic equation. And this formula is also known as the Sridharacharya formula. Thank you for watching. For the next day, we have discussed about what is its the value and the general equations. We solve it by this method. Thank you for watching.